Hello champs, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover the various human activities. People undertake various activities to satisfy their needs. We all know that human needs are unlimited, है ना. जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं उनकी जो वांट्स है, उनकी जो नीड्स है वो अनलिमिटेड हैं. तो उन नीड्स को, उन वांट्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए अ ह्यूमन बीइंग परफॉर्म वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़. And these activities are basically divided into two parts: economic activity and non-economic activity. You can see this picture. Economic activity, if a chef is cooking food in a restaurant and in return he will get the money, so he is performing economic activity. Non-economic activity, suppose that mother is cooking food for the family members, so that work she is doing due to love or affection. She is not getting any monetary reward in return, so she is doing non-economic activities. So just to fulfill the needs, human beings perform two types of activities, that is economic activities and non-economic activities. So human activities are of two types. Okay, then next economic activities we will understand in detail. Economic activities undertaken to earn money or money's worth and related to production and exchange of wealth. Means इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ वो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो हम मनी अर्न करने के लिए परफॉर्म करते हैं, है ना. ऐसी कोई भी एक्टिविटी जो हम परफॉर्म करें और जिसके रिटर्न में हमें मनी मिले, सो उसको हम इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ की कैटेगरी में रखेंगे. जैसे रनिंग अ फैक्ट्री, रनिंग अ शॉप, कल्टिवेटिंग द लैंड, दीज ऑल विल कम अंडर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. अब अगर हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात करें इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ की, तो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ आर रिलेटेड विद प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वेल्थ. Why we perform the economic activities? Just to earn wealth, just to earn money. तो ये पहला इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. दूसरा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि जो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ है वो ह्यूमन वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करती हैं. ओके भाई, अगर आपको कोई नीड है, आप कोई चीज़ परचेज करोगे, आप उसके बदले में पैसे दोगे और आपको जब गुड्स मिलेंगे तो आपकी जो वांट्स है, आपकी जो ज़रूरतें हैं वो पूरी होंगी. फिर why we perform the economic activities? With the expectation of money, कि हमें in return क्या मिलेगा? मनी मिलेगा, राइट. उसके बाद जो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ हैं चाम्स, वो these activities act as a base for measuring the economic development of the society. If you want to measure the economic development, so that you may measure with the help of economic activities. Okay, so economic activities act as a base to measure the economic development. Okay, so these all are the characteristics of economic activities. Now come to non-economic activities. Non-economic activities which are undertaken not for reward but for the personal satisfaction. You can see this picture. A mother looks after her children, a housewife cooks food for the family, visiting temples, etc. These all activities come under non-economic activities, because these activities we don't perform to earn money. These activities are performed with the intention to get mental satisfaction. These activities are performed due to love, affection, etc. है ना. अगर इकोनॉमिक और नॉन इकोनॉमिक को अच्छे से समझना हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कॉमन एग्जाम्पल, तो वी कैन से इफ अ टीचर टीचिंग इन द स्कूल, इन रिटर्न शी इज गेटिंग द सैलरी, सो that teacher is performing economic activity. But if the same teacher is teaching her daughter or son due to love, affection, then she is performing non-economic activities. So I hope economic and non-economic activities are clear. So thank you champs, and wait for my next videos.